Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Alaikum salam. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Alaikum salam.
Teacher.
Alaikum salam everyone. How are you all?
I am fine, and how are you?
Alhamdulillah, dear. Everything.
Yes.
Okay.
हमें स्कूल से बुक्स और रिजल्ट्स कब मिलेंगे हम अपने?
Soon, inshallah, soon, beti, very soon you will be getting the correct date from the school. I can't say anything right now. So it's in process. Okay.
मिस मैंने
Huzaifa,
अपनी सारी बुक्स बाय कर ली है, लेकिन मुझे एक बुक नहीं मिल रही। टेल्स फ्रॉम शेक्सपियर नहीं मिल रही मुझे मिस। मिस आई है टेल्स फ्रॉम शेक्सपियर।
Okay, Huzaifa is present. So Huzaifa, please. I'm starting the class with the name of Allah. Huzaifa, do recitation. Everyone should listen it, please, Huzaifa.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu al-Azim, Subhanallah, bete. Huzaifa, when you are doing recitation at the time, little bit slow down the speed. क्योंकि किरत है ना बेटे, किरत में जितनी स्पीड आपकी स्लो रहेगी उतनी किरत आपकी बहुत शानदार होगी, ठीक है ना? It's mandatory on every Muslim. Every letter or every word which you are reciting, it should be clear and it should be proper. ठीक है बेटे? Okay, jazakallah bete. So, who will review the last topic? What we did? कौन रिव्यू कराएगा मुझे? हमने लास्ट टॉपिक क्या किया था? Okay, Zainab is raising the hand. Zainab Jabbar, you can unmute yourself. जी मेरा बच्चा.
Social letter, informal letter.
Okay, so what is this?
Teacher, our personal letter that we write to our siblings and friends.
Okay. What else we did in the last class? Ji, who will answer the second question? Zainab Jafar already gave so. So I want someone else to let me know what we did other than that. Zainab Zafar had given almost complete answer, but we did one more thing. So what is that? Who will let me know? Come on. Quickly. If you review it, I'll move forward. Otherwise, I won't. Ji bete Shamir, unmute yourself and speak up.
We do formal letter and informal letter.
Okay. So what is an informal letter?
Teacher, which we write to our friends, relatives.
Okay. And what is formal one?
Which we write to principal, teacher, and
Shamir, the second answer, it's not audible. You are not cleared now. So please clear it more.
we write formal letter to our principal, teachers for an application.
And only to administration and principal. And formal letter we write to principal, administration is completely fine. Hamad Khan and Wafa, you are not attentive. And where are you right now? Aurelia, open the video of yours, please. Wafa, be attentive. Come back. Hamad, please open the video. Ji. Shani also gave the correct answer, but more things are left. Who will review it complete? Come on, Ali Ahmed. To whom we can write the formal letter quickly? जल्दी से बताएं.
Teacher, we can write formal letter to principal, headmaster,
And
teacher.
जल्दी जल्दी.
Teacher, in formal letter में हमें
No, only formal. I'm not talking about informal right now.
formal letter
Informal.
में
जी.
हम जैसे हम अपने स्कूल के हेडमास्टर हो गए, इनसे प्रिंसिपल,
तो बता दिया ना शमीर ने.
टीचर.
तो शमीर ने बता दिया बेटे, my dear. Something else. I told you ना. याद करें. चलें ठीक है. अली अहमद also had given answer the correct. It's also correct बेटे. वफा आप बताएं बेटे please. Wait, Janab Zafar, let everyone get the chance. You already had given one answer. Now let other get the chance, my dear. They should also take part in the class. Hamad, Fahad, Huzaifa, Aurelia, get ready. Ji Wafa bete. Wafa bete, where are you? You are not attentive, my dear. Sarah, she is not attentive right now. So question goes to Hamad. Hamad, आप बताएं.
Miss, I don't know because I don't take any class because of the net issue and electricity.
Okay, fine. Ji Fahad, the same question. To whom we write the formal letter?
मिस मेरे ख्याल से फॉर्मल मेथड में वो हेडमास्टर को वो
बेटे ख्याल नहीं बताना, कंफर्म कीजिए इसको. I don't want the thinking. ठीक है, मुझे ख्याल नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कंफर्मेशन चाहिए.
किसी फ्रेंड, हेडमास्टर, टीचर.
I mean already told all this बेटे. Something else.
मिस कजन.
No. Cousins, it's informal, my dear. चलें Aurelia, आप बताएं. Come on. Aurelia, speak up.
Miss, I can't take class because of net problem and light issue.
But you were present in the last class.
Yes,
I
miss.
have the attendance, my dear.
But miss उसके बाद मैंने नहीं ली.
बस वही क्लास लास्ट थी मेरे बेटे. उसके बाद क्लासें हुई कहाँ हैं? बारिशों की वजह से क्लासें हुई कहाँ थी फिर? The rainy good seasons ना, monsoon seasons. फिर तो क्लास हुई नहीं थी. मेरा बच्चा वो लास्ट क्लास थी मेरे बेटे. I'm asking about the last class. Bete, please be active, and you all should listen to the topic carefully because it's the fall term started, and if you did not understand any topic, so it will become very hard for you to do the test papers and the paper if you forget the lectures and topic and you don't take part carefully. Please, I want all the students do practice all the topic and do listen the lecture carefully. Please be attentive. Am I clear? चलिए ज़ैनब जफर, आप hand raise कर रहे थे. The question goes to you, please. ज़ैनब जफर, please speak up and open the video.
This question.
To whom we write the formal letter?
Teacher, our principals and
बस प्रिंसिपल को ही लिखेंगे, फॉर्मल लेटर किसी और को नहीं लिखिएगा, है ना? Okay, Shamil, anything you want to add? Okay, bete, formal letter is the official letter now. As I told you that we use for official purpose mean it's a business letter. ठीक है, formal letter जो होते हैं ना हम business purpose के लिए use करते हैं, and those are formal letter, वो official letters होते हैं. ठीक है, ठीक है, is this clear to everyone? Formal letter हम newspaper editor को भी लिखते हैं when we are talking about the complaint about the sewerage line, water shortage, all that. This is also a formal letter which we write to newspaper editor to bring something into kind notice of someone. ठीक है, जब हम किसी चीज की निशानदेही करते हैं और बताते हैं कि ये प्रॉब्लम्स हैं सोसाइटी में और आपके एरिया में, so this is also formal letter. ठीक है, ऑफिशियल लेटर बिजनेस पर्पस के लिए भी यूज करते हैं. जब आपको कोई प्रोडक्ट के लिए कोई कंप्लेन हो या कोई प्रोडक्ट आपको चाहिए हो तो उसके लिए रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं. वी डू ऑल दैट. सो प्लीज बेटे, ओके, डिड यू ऑल गेट दैट? एंड व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ? Did you all understand that? Please thumbs up if you understand that. Okay. Ali Ahmed, आपने रेज नहीं किया Aurelia? Confusions? Now Aurelia, review it. To whom we write informal and to whom we write formal. Come on. Now you are present
Miss,
speaker.
can you repeat? Miss,
Ji.
can you repeat it?
Which one?
Like, what is formal letter?
What is a formal letter? Okay. जी बेटे, कौन करेगा review? Uzaifa will do so. Come on, Uzaifa. Now tell me, what is a formal letter and to whom we write the formal letter? Uzaifa, please speak up.
It's an informal letter we write to our friends, relatives, and cousins. And in formal letter we write to our headmaster, principal, teacher, and in business.
Excellent job, Uzaifa. Okay. And Wafa, आप बताएं बेटे, to whom we write, what is a formal letter and to whom we write the formal one?
Teacher, formal letter is a business letter and we write formal letter to our headmaster, principal, madams, teachers and etc.
Very good. Excellent job, my dear. Now, Aurelia, did you get it? जी बताएं बेटे, did you get the differentiate? Did you get it? Did you understand it, Aurelia? Now come on, share it. What did you understand? Share it बेटे, आपने क्या understand किया, please? Speak up, my dear Aurelia.
Like giving an application.
Okay, very good. And
Like giving application to headmaster or business meeting.
very good.
Talk.
When we're writing a business letter, it becomes official letter. And when we write for any business purpose, ठीक है ना? For if you're asking
Yes.
about the products, हम किसी को product की supplies दे रहे हो या ले रहे हो, supplies goods को कहते हैं, ठीक है? We can request for it. We can order for it. ठीक है? Yes. Did you all get the differentiate? What is formal and informal letter? Informal is a social and personal letter which we write to our relatives, siblings, cousins, mama, baba, all. ठीक है?
Yes, miss.
Did you all understand it?
Yes.
Forward, हम move करें आगे. So our topic is how to write a personal and a social letter. हमने ये topic भी start किया था and we did 5 parts. अब मुझे बताएं who will review it? शेमीर आप बताइए. What are the 5 parts of a social letter?
Teacher first, date and heading,
Very good.
then name, body, signature.
No. After heading and date, the second part is
Teacher, the name of person.
no, not the name. Greeting. Salutation and greeting.
Salutation and greeting, body and signature.
No. Complimentary closing, subscription and then closing. ठीक है? 5 steps we follow when we write a social informal letter. ठीक है? How many steps? Look at that. I'm sharing the screen. All of you listen it and look at the screen carefully. Is this visible? Can you all look at that? Okay. So how many parts? The first step is inside address. It is the address and date. It means we call it heading and date. Basically, this step is called inside address. What do we do that? We write the sender's address. Senders कौन होता है? जो writer, जो लिख रहा होता है, ठीक है? And date in full form. Then we write greeting. Below the address, we write salutation and greeting. We start the greeting and salutation with dear, D-E-A-R. How do we start it? Can you all read so?
Dear.
Okay. This is the first step. Heading. Okay? Where do we write? We write on the right side and on the top of the page, the right side. ठीक है ना? कहाँ लिखते हैं हम heading? The address. It should be on top of the page, the right hand side. कहाँ लिखेंगे? सीधे हाथ की तरफ. ठीक है? It contains the sender's address. ठीक है? Address के साथ finish करके आप address को लिखते हैं date. There are 2 patterns of writing a date: date in numbers and date in words. I have mentioned both the patterns. Look at that. Month, November, date, and with comma, I have mentioned year. This is in words. Here I have written in words. ठीक है, लफ्जों में लिखा है आपने. अब हिंसों में देखिए आप. In numbers, 14.11.2020. This is in numbers. ठीक है? These are the correct pattern of writing the date. ठीक है, dear? In this manner, you can mention and write the date in the letter. After that, you will leave few lines and then you will write greeting. Greeting आप कहाँ लिखेंगे? Left hand side. ठीक है? From corner, left hand side, you will start the greeting with dear, and after that you will be adding to whom you are writing, like dear uncle, dear father, dear aunt. To whom you are writing, you will mention it. Then you will close the greeting with comma. Look at that example. मैंने close कैसे किया है इसको? Look at it. With comma. I enlarge the font size to make it more prominent. ठीक है ना? Clear to everyone? I hope it is visible to all of you. ठीक है? ठीक है ना बेटे? Very good. Now I'm moving forward. The most important part of the letter is body. Fine? It is the major part. Here we include more than 2-3 paragraphs. Fine? Like introduction. It has 3 parts. Fine? The main content, and the last part of the body is conclusion. Fine? Body has 3 parts. Fine? Body has 3 parts. You know, what do we do in body? You know, in body we mention the complete reason why are we writing the letter. Fine? What's the major purpose? And then we mention, we little bit exaggerate it, and then we conclude the whole and we sum up it. Okay, so basically the first part of the body is introduction. Fine. What do we do in the introductory paragraph? In introductory paragraph, we start the letter with the major purpose. Why are we writing? ठीक है ना? आप अपना major purpose बताते हैं कि आप letter क्यों लिख रहे हैं. What is the major purpose? The reason of writing the letter. Fine. Then in the second paragraph, you add more line. Fine. The main content after the introductory paragraph, you have mentioned the reason why are you writing all that. Then you add main content, you exaggerate it more. Fine. And you write more line about it. Fine. Then at last you sum up the whole, conclude it. Okay. I'll be showing one example. This is the sample one. Look at it. How do the person has written it? Look at this. Are you all able to look at this? Is it visible? Please thumbs up. Are you all able to look at this sample which I'm showing to you? Okay. Look at this. This is the address. Then after address, we are having date. The greeting, we close with comma. Then we have started the introductory paragraph. This is opening. Which step it is? It is introductory paragraph. कि आपने सलाम दुआ किया and then you have mentioned the reason कि क्यों लिख रहे हैं आप. Now look at that. The second and third paragraph are the main content. You exaggerate it more. आपने ऊपर mention किया कि why are you writing? For example, I'm paying regard. How are you, friend? I'm fine. All that. Now, what is the major purpose? Look at that. It has been almost a month since I transferred to the boarding school. Look at that. Here he mentioned the reason. इसने अपना purpose यहाँ mention कर दिया introductory में कि क्या हुआ वो transfer हो गया boarding school में. Now he exaggerated more. अब उसने exaggerate क्या किया? He's adding more light about the boarding school कि उसने boarding school को कैसा पाया. How did the person find it? ठीक है? Both the paragraph 2 and 3 of the body is telling more about the boarding school कि उसने वहाँ पे कैसा feel किया. How did the person find it? वहाँ पे क्या क्या चीजें थी? Library थी, school lab था. What did the person find it? After adding more and more line, he finished the content and then at last, look at that, he conclude the whole. Look at that ending. This is the last paragraph of the body, the conclusion. He conclude the whole. Fine. He enjoyed over there. It's very enjoyable for the person and he sum up. After paying regard, salam to parents and younger laugh, all that, he finished up. At last, what he did? He mentioned the subscription. क्या किया उन्होंने? अब subscribe कर लिया, complimentary closing कर दिया. Yours sincerely, yours faithfully. At last, he mentioned the name. Look at this. His signature. Look at this. Here is the signature of the person. Fine. This is sign of subscription and then at last signature. This is the overall social letter. Fine. But please, whosoever is doing so now, avoid it. I did not disable the annotation. So it doesn't mean that you will add more lines to it. Try to listen the lecture only. Okay. So I hope all the parts are clear to all of you. Now who will review the whole? कौन इसको पूरा sum up करेगा? Come on. Today we did the 5 parts of the social letter, informal letter. Then I'll be giving one assignment to all of you. मैं आपको एक research work, I will be giving a search work. Come on. Actually, do you know how to prepare an envelope? Who knows it? How to prepare an envelope? Today we did the whole letter now, how to write social letter, the informal one. In the tomorrow class, okay, Wafa knows it and Zainab. So Wafa and Zainab will take the tomorrow's class and they will let you know how to make an envelope. So Wafa and Zainab.
Teacher, I also know.
Very good. But you missed the chance. First. ठीक है ना? अब आपने chance miss कर दिया. अब वफा ने पहले रेस किया था जानब, they both got the chance. So कल की क्लास इनकी, ठीक है? So Zainab and Wafa, tomorrow class will be yours. Tomorrow you both will conduct the class. ठीक है? After review, पहले हम review कर लेंगे and then after that, Zainab and Wafa will be continuing it more. चलें, अभी बताएं. Anyone wish to ask any question?
No.
ठीक है. Shall I ask the question? Sure. Shall I give the challenge to all of you of 2 marks?
Yes.
Challenge is 2 marks challenge, which I'll be adding in the test.
ऊपर वाला जो आधा होगा उसका इससे बन सकता है.
Okay, let me mute all of you. Okay, so I'm giving a challenge to all of you. I'm starting it. We have only 4 minutes, so please answer me. The first question of the challenge is, how many parts of a letter we have? Who will answer? Come on, raise the hand. Quickly raise the hand. Raise the hand if you wish to answer. Ahmed Afzal. Ji, Ahmed Afzal, speak up. First, Ahmed Afzal, raise it. So the 2 marks will be of Ahmed Afzal. Ji.
That's 3.
Are you sure?
Yes, miss.
So you are, is he right or wrong? Who will answer? Okay. Second raise kiya tha Zainab ne. So I'm shifting the answer to Zainab. Ji, Zainab.
There are 5.
Okay, that's really good. Very good. Zainab got the marks. Now, Wafa, you tell. Wafa raised the second hand. So come on, Wafa, tell me. Name all 5 steps. Quickly. Name all 5 steps. The video is stuck. Quickly, Wafa, we have 2 minutes. Other are waiting. So Shamir is raising the hand. I'm transferring it. Come on, Shamir, speak up. Name all 5 steps. Quickly, bete, we have 2 minutes. Shamir, I unmuted you, my dear. You are unmuted. From in my side, you are unmuted, my dear. Shamir, you are unmuted, my dear. Okay, come on. Fahad is raising hand. Come on, 1 minute we are having. Fahad, speak up. Okay, I have allowed everyone. I am not restricting. Come on, quickly. The first step is
Body.
very good.
Can I tell?
It is so many siblings are talking. How will you answer, my dear? Okay.
Can I tell?
Yes, very quickly.
Address,
Then,
salutation,
very good.
subject, body, and ending.
Very good. Excellent job, my dear. Fahad also got. So I'm ending the class. The time up. You should join the next class. Have a great day ahead. A good review, my dear all. Fine. So tomorrow, Zainab and Wafa, get ready. Allah Hafiz, everyone.